Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm joined by
Arie.
Arie, what are we going to draw today, mate?
Stumblestein from my favourite video game, Stumble Guys.
Hey Arie, you ready to start Stumblestein?
Yep.
Now his head is quite tall, so we're going to start with the top of his head. So draw a light line there with your pencil. Now we're drawing in pencil, Arie, so that we can go over it later with lines. What do you think?
Yep.
Now we come down on both sides. So his head's actually quite tall and narrow. Okay, and then we're going to come down for his chin like this and around. So almost the same sort of line for the top as for the bottom. Okay, now his body is not quite as tall as his head, so I'm just going to put a little curve here and a little line up there like this. And these are construction lines or guidelines. Why are they important, Arie?
To help structure the drawing.
Excellent. What do you think we should structure up next? We've got the head, we've got the body. What else do we need to work out?
The arms and the legs.
Okay, yep. So the arm, one arm's going to come down around there like that. And because he's looking a bit more this way, this one's going to come down and around there like so. And we're just piecing it on at the moment. That's the way, buddy. And then we're just going to put the leg out here like that. And then this leg is a bit more side on like this. What's your favourite skin that you've got in Stumble Guys?
Dynamitron. I haven't got it, but it's my favourite.
Yeah, he's pretty cool. We don't have Dynamitron yet. I got the red fox though. He's pretty cool, isn't he?
Yeah.
But I like being Private Evans. Okay, just drawing the shoe on. This one's more side on. That's looking good, mate. Arie, what's the next step? We've got our construction lines on. What are we going to do next, do you think?
The detail.
Okay, so we're going to draw a line coming down to about halfway. Then he's got these this little bit that comes out, two little lines coming out, and then curve it around like this. And because he's slightly looking that way, we're going to have to put like an ellipse there like this, because you can sort of see that side. And then this is his hair, come down a little bit more and then come back in. Nice work, mate. Then come back up to nearly the top of the head. Now we've got some zigzags. He's got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 coming down like a V. Another V. 2, 3. Try and keep them the same. And then the last one, 4. And then that comes up like that. Well done, buddy. And then we're going to just go over this line here. And that's his hair. Now you don't see the other side of his hair because it's on the other side. So we're just going to come down here. Little shape like so here. I think that's his eyebrow. And then another one over there. And then we've got a line coming across here.
Looks a bit like his eye.
They do, you're right. That'd be a bit high up for his eye. His eyes are actually down past halfway. So just in here, we're going to put his first eye, shaped like so. And his second eye is another shape like so there. And we're going to colour them in black. Try and keep them the same side.
Pretty tall head.
Pretty tall head. He's a cool character. He's been around for a long time. The old Frankenstein, Stumblestein, they've done a great job of picking up his main features and bringing him into a character. Yep, that's it, mate. Mouth across like that with his teeth. So just like that. And then we're going to bring his chin back on like this. And I'm just going to make it a little bit more pointed, his chin. And then I'm going to bring this up.
Time to do the other arm, pretty sure.
Yeah, the bolt for his ear. So, but have a look how different this one will be. This one here, because it's going the other way, we have to go out, the same sort of size as that one. But then we've got to curve it around like this, because we don't see where it connects into the head, and we don't see the other side of it. So that's the shape of it.
Because it's looking the other way.
Yep, well done. Now let's put his little bow tie on. Little oval shape or a circle. then a shape like this, mate. Hope you're doing well at home. I'm sure you are. Stumblestein is a cool character, and the game is pretty cool. I reckon my favourite map, I've just been playing the Slippery Slide. I think that's pretty cool. What do you think, Arie? Which is your favourite map?
My favourite map is Block Dash, and I'm probably the best out of all of it.
That's your favourite map, and that's your best map, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, that's his belt buckle. Now we're going to bring a line, 2 lines up here. You ready? But he's got a bit of a belly, so we're going to go curving it like this and curving it like that. 2 little lines. That's like the part of his shirt. Now we have to go from here. How'd you go with that? Yep, you're doing pretty good. Well done. So we're going to bring this line coming down. This is his jacket, down to there. And we're going to bring his little collar, or his part of his jacket comes around like that. So it comes down, goes in, and then back out. And we're going to do the other side of his jacket, which is here. So it comes down and then kicks back like that at the end. And then we're going to bring the bottom of the jacket on. Excellent. You're doing a great job, mate. Bring the bottom of this jacket around to about there. Just got to leave enough space for his hand. So now we're going to put the pockets on. 1 pocket there. And this pocket comes around to the side there. And this is his arm line there. So we're going to bring that up. Bring his pocket and then bring the arm line up, mate. Now, let's draw his hand here. So they have a funny hand, so it's like this. And then it comes around into the thumb there. And that's his hand. That's one hand. And this hand is pretty easy because it's just a curved line. Now you should check out some of my other Stumble Guys characters that I've drawn. I've drawn quite a few because they're pretty popular and I really love drawing them. This is like the sleeve on his jacket, and then we're going to go up and around to there. Excellent. Now we're going to pick up this and we're going to come out here like this, in, back out and around. That's his collar.
Are we going to do the other side of the arm now?
Yep, and then we can do the other side of the arm. So bring that around. Don't forget to leave enough space for where the sleeve is, or the cuff, or whatever you call that part. And then a little dot there, a little circle for the white bit.
I put the sleeve first so I didn't just accidentally leave a small gap for
it. That's a good idea. And then you can put those little buttons on, and then don't forget his arm bit in there. Now we've got to draw the rest of his belt. So just join 2 lines coming that way to his jacket. His jacket's hiding most of his belt. Okay, so now then I'm looking at this pants that come down, and then we've got a bottom piece, just like a bit of a wider bottom piece like that. Same with these ones, so I'm just going to draw the bottom piece on first. And then we're going to draw the leg up there and bring that leg around. That's it. Don't forget this bottom part. Now this leg's further back, so it's not quite as big. Now he's wearing some cool boots, so let's put the boot line on like that. And he's got a bit of a black darker spot there. Now you're looking straight at this boot, and then he's got the sole of his shoe. Look at this. Curve it around. And there's his boot with the dark patch there. Now he's got this part of his boot comes down and around, and we see more side on of this boot like that. And then he's got this is the dark patch in there of his boot. And don't forget to draw his sole of his shoe on. And around, comes up and around like that. Now I'm just checking over to see if I've got every little bit that I need of Stumblestein. How cool is your picture of Stumblestein, mate? Well done, buddy.
Thank you. Yours looks good as well.